So now that we have our functions PHP part, we can also extend it a little bit further. If you go to theme handbook and go to our theme functions, then you can learn a lot of stuff from this. So even though it says functions PHP, you shouldn't put all the functionality to a theme, because if a user does change the theme, they will lose also all the functionalities. But they are pretty the functions PHP can be used for anything specific to the theme. So if you scroll down, we have a theme setup section, which you can see here, and then we can also do some navigation menus. We can load text domain if there are any languages there, and etc. So let's do it like in similar order. So we can just copy that and then add it here. So why is that? CT setup, and we are using this if for some reason another developer starts a child theme, they can also set it up. So we will not use that if a child theme is called, because then this function will already exist. And we can add a simple comment, so simple theme setup. We don't return anything, and here it is. And what do we do? What do we have to do? Also, we need to hook that function to an action. And if you scroll on this page to the bottom, you will see this action here. We can copy that action and we can add it here. After setup theme, we will hook that function, and here it is. So let's say we have some translations here, so we can just add a folder, let's say languages, and that folder can be empty for now, and then we will load the text domain. Let's copy that, and we will load it like that. Our text domain will be st, and we can also do here, we can add text domain st like that. We're on the functions part, and here it is. This will load our languages. If we refresh, nothing happened, everything is fine, no errors. We can also add some support. So we want to have the post thumbnails, so we should add them also here. We can just add the theme support here, and then we can also add some menus. We can also have 2 or more. I'll use the primary and footer for the secondary. Use our text domain, and here it is. Okay, so we have 2 new menus. We can go here on the handbook and add some post formats if you want. I won't go into that here, so we can keep it as simple as possible. And if we want to define the maximum width of our content, so if we have, let's say, a content, our theme container page has the maximum of, let's say, 1200 pixels, then we will use that content width. Then even the images that will be uploaded for that will be up to 1200 pixels. Okay, so we have set that up. Now if we go to the admin page, and let's go to, let's say we have themes, we have now also menus, because we have registered 2 menus, we can use them also. And let's create a new menu. So let's create the primary menu. We can use home or front page, I don't really care. You can use blog, new page, whatever you like, and add it as primary. I mean, let's create a new one so you can see also how to do a new one. So here, create a new one, leave, and this is our primary simple menu. Let's create one and add pages to them, and then we'll also add primary, so it's set to the primary menu. Okay, so this simple menu is set to be the primary menu of our site. Of course, on our site we don't have anything because we need to set that up. And that's it for this video, and in the next we'll move further on.